Page number 30. Let's write. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the brackets. In the bracket, some words are given and we have to write these words on their proper places and we have to fill these boats. Here we can see boats, dogs, children, bells, words. So we have to match these words with their noun. Now boats. Boats sail or bath or sing or play or win. So boats sail. Next one is dogs. Dogs bark. Next one is children. Children can sing also, but here we are going to write children play. Next one is bells. Bells ring. Birds, last one is sing. Birds sing. So complete it. Now next one is write the names of the days of the week. Now next we have to write the names of the days. You can begin with Sunday. They have said that you can begin with Sunday. But we are not going to start our days writing with Sunday because we know that Monday is the first day of the week. So we will start our writing days with the Monday. So first day of the week is Monday. Then second one is after Monday which day comes? Tuesday. After Tuesday, Wednesday. After Wednesday, Thursday comes. After Thursday, Friday. And after Friday, Saturday. And the last day of the week is Sunday. So your homework is write the days of the week one column. Next question is Haldi wrote her name at school in this way. Haldi has written her name in this way. She made one mistake. What was it? She has made one mistake. And what is it? So if you see spelling of Haldi, Haldi, it is correct. But she has made one mistake that whenever we write our name, any place name, any city's name, we have to start with capital letter. So she has written her name with small h. So that is her mistake. So write her name correctly. So we will write her name correctly by writing H capital. Now write your name correctly. You have to write your name correctly. Now here I will write my name, but you have to write your name. So my name is Vaishali. So I have written this first letter of my name capital. So now next, Haldi wrote, I make a giraffe. I make a giraffe. She made two mistakes. She has made two mistakes. In your book, this full stop is not given, but here it is given. So we will not look at it. She has made two mistakes. First mistake of this is I. So whenever we start any sentence, that sentence first letter should be capital. So here she has written small I. So that is her first mistake. And the second mistake is when we complete the sentence, full stop should be given. So we write Haldi sentence correctly. We are going to write the sentence of Haldi correctly. So first mistake is I should be capital. I made a giraffe. And when our sentence is completed, full stop should be given. And keep in mind that whenever I comes separately, for example, whenever I go to school, whenever I go to school. So this I should be capital. Whenever it comes alone, it comes separately, it should be always capital. So complete this page. Now open the next page. Let's get ready for school. Open next page, page number 14. Let's get ready for school. So when you get ready for the school, what do you do before going to school? What things you do before going to school? You have to tick them. You have to write why. Why means yes for them. And which things you are not going to do before going to school, under that we have to write N. N means no. So first, here in the first picture you can see the boy is bathing. He is taking bath. So before going to school, do you take bath? Yes, we take bath. So under it or here in this box you are going to write yes. Yes means why we are going to write. The next picture. In the next picture you can see play in the park. So before going to school, do you play in the park? Do you go to the park before going to school? No, we don't go. So here we will write N. N means no. Now in the third picture, feed the birds. In the morning, you can feed the birds. So before coming to school, we are taking breakfast. So sometimes we also give grains to the birds. So we can do it. So we can write Y means yes here. Now next, climb a tree. Do you go to the garden? Do you go to the forest or do you go to field before going to school? No, we don't go. And we don't climb a tree before coming to the school. So here we will write N. And this, no, we are not going to do it before coming to school. Now next, comb your hair. Yes. Before coming to school, we comb our hair. So here we will write Y. And in the next picture, in the last picture, you can see help to milk a cow. So in the morning, if you get up early, you can help to milk a cow. So here we will write Y.